Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how I solve the problem of color fading in the painting. I use a sponge, synthetic soft brush, plastic bowl, and varnish from brand Renesans. This varnish used for restoration and retouching faded elements of painting and colors that become dull. Provides gloss finish. Now I take the sponge and start cleaning dust that may have settled into the painting. I pour a small amount of varnish into a bowl. Apply the varnish first horizontally and then vertically in parts moving from top to bottom. Try to do it by the window or lamp, where you can see where you have already applied the varnish and the missing parts that are left without varnish. You can see how the colors in the painting after varnishing become more saturated.